Technical corner, finance. This time we were going to get rid of the jargon really. So I bought a new machine tool. Someone said to me, I can go HP, I can go Lease. What?
Yeah, I mean, generally speaking, Colin, there are two main products. One, if you want to purchase and own the machine, it's HP.
Okay.
And if you want to lease the machine, you go down a finance lease or an operating lease route.
Okay. Well, I'm an engineer. This machine tool, I mean, we see them all the time. This machine tool is good for 10, 15, 20 years. Finance over 5, I want to keep it.
So HP.
HP, okay. I've got a van as well, because, we're a machine tool company, we've got delivery, etc. I want that for 5 years, 3 years. I don't know, a new van or even a car for the, the manager, whoever. I want to hand it back though.
Yeah, depending. I mean, if you want to hand it back, it's usually down the lease route.
Okay.
That seems the most safest route, and it's going to be cheaper for you as well.
Okay. So you'll give me options, but will you give me advice in terms of the tax implications and things like that?
We tend not to give advice in terms of tax. That's your accountant's job. So I always advise, speak to your accountant.
Okay, so you know the relationship with the business, etc., and know about that business and can give them different options. But the accountant is right. This is the best route for you in terms of depreciation and things like that.
Yeah, for your products, that's us. Okay. That's what you're paying us to do, and
right.
That's what we like to do. Understand your business better.
Absolutely. Now, what I want to clarify as well is, what can I finance? I know we have covered that off in other technical corners, but just to reiterate, so my machines,
definitely.
I've got a whole suite of tools.
Oh yes, we like tools.
Okay, yeah, not a problem.
Software as well, yeah, it's becoming more and more popular with the funders. They understand it is a major asset to the business. Change your software. I mean, it does a lot for your business.
Yep.
So because of that, and it's quite expensive now to buy software. That's classed as investment. You can fund that as well.
Okay, but again, it's a case of, and we have reiterated this, Paul. Anything like that, just get on the phone and contact yourself. Simple as that.
Most definitely. If you've got any questions about it, speak to me and I'll tell you whether you can or cannot.
Okay, now, next thing then, we mentioned accountants. Any good accountant that you've got out there will have told all the engineers already, you've got an annual investment allowance. What is it?
Yes, it's a bit of a mouthful. Not everybody knows exactly what it is, and not every accountant will actually give that advice, but annual investment allowance is there, put in place by the government. It's temporarily been raised from £200,000 to £1 million, and effectively it means when you make purchases into your business, you can offset that capital purchased against your tax liability.
So in very simple terms, I'm going to pay less tax if I buy some equipment.
Most definitely.
Nice and simple. So that ties in nicely with what we mentioned in another technical corner. I want to invest lots of money. I've got my credit line in place. So I know I've got approval to go to that exhibition and buy a new machine. And the government are going to help me as well.
Most definitely. The credit line and these help you plan for your business and make it more tax efficient.
Fantastic. Paul, that's just a quick sort of jargon buster, nice and simple. The easy answer is anything like that, finance-wise, get in contact with yourself. Paul Cox, Asset Finance Northampton.
That's correct.
Brilliant. Paul, thank you very much.